Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, for those of you that are new here. If you're not, get ready for another kitchen video. I will be making something that is called Lucky Charms treats. And since it's St. Patrick's Day, which means really absolutely nothing to me, but that I wear beautiful gold coin looking earrings and some green, just in case you guys don't go out there and start saying that you gotta pinch me. For this day, since this year I'm trying to be more festive and celebrate almost everything, I wanted to make these Lucky Charms treats. Apparently they're super easy, but you know what? It's not my first time where things go absolutely wrong. The recipe calls for Lucky Charms. I'm pretty sure it did not call for the family size, but guess what? I'm not gonna complain when I have a bunch left over. Marshmallows, some butter, and that's pretty much it. Let's get these treats started. 1/4 cup of butter. You all know I don't have a microwave, so let me go warm it up on the stove. Oh. I feel like this one doesn't really have the little lines. Oh yeah, it does. Tablespoon, tablespoon, tablespoon. So 1/4 cup is how many tablespoons? I don't know, I'm gonna eyeball it. Gotta fill this up to 1/4. Wish me luck. We have our 1/4 cup of butter. It says to use 1 bag of mini marshmallows, so that is what I'm going to use. I think I was supposed to do this in the pan. Help. Kitchen gods, help me. Okay, so let's take it back from before. Maybe I should have focused a little bit better. Let's try this again. Getting the butter, putting the butter back into the pan. Now we'll add the marshmallows. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm throwing marshmallows everywhere. Never melted marshmallows before. Pretty interesting. Meanwhile, I'm going to open up the Lucky Charms and add 6 cups of Lucky Charms into this. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The dogs are loving it right now. They're eating all of the ones I've dropped. Just waiting for the marshmallows to melt at this point. Place the mixture into a greased pan. I don't have any grease. I don't have any of that baking stuff. All right, let's check on the marshmallows. Look what happened to my spatula. I think the dishwasher heat is too hot and it broke it. So didn't have time to get a new one. For the pan, I got this 8x8. They say that it's a good size because it helps the treats, helps the treats not be too thin. So, got myself a 8x8. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Look at how cool it looks. Pouring it in. Pouring in all the marshmallow. And now, stirring this up. Cool, look how fun that looks. Smells delicious. Really looks like spider webs. Don't mind my spatula. Grease this up. All right, start pouring this in. Oh my goodness, this is like super glue. Jeez. Guys, this is so hard. So I think that's good enough. And now, it says we have to kind of like lay this down. For the fun of it, I'm gonna add some green sprinkles. I just added regular little green sprinkles on there. So here we have it. It says we should wait about 15 minutes or so till it gets harder. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge and see if we can speed it up a little bit so that we can actually try them and we could give it a little taste test. I think it's been like 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna go check on them. What was that? I'm gonna go check on them. Almost all of the sprinkles even glued on there. Look at that. Look how crazy that is though, for real. What is the best strategy here, Vanessa? What is the best strategy? I'm gonna cut all the way across here. Oh my gosh, how fun. This is so cool. I am so in love. You now it's time to taste it. Now we got our beautiful, perfect little piece here. Look at that. The sprinkles even stayed on there. That's cool. Look, it's glued to the plate. Perfect for kids that can't throw them around. Oh, sh. So good. Tastes just like the cereal, maybe just a little sweeter because of, I guess, the whole bag of marshmallows we threw in there. But I also do advise you to leave this cooling in the fridge for longer, at least like maybe another 10 minutes, because the consistency is awesome and soft, but maybe just a little bit too soft because it sticks to your fingers. There you have it, guys. That was the Lucky Charm treats that I wanted to make for St. Patrick's Day. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was so much fun to make, and I'm pretty sure you can glue any cereal that you like together just by melting some marshmallows, because that thing is super strong. Like, who would have thought? But now we know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button already if you haven't. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Oh yeah, if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section, and I'll leave all of the details on the recipe and all of that stuff in the description box. So now I can say goodbye.